All right, man, what is going on, everybody, man? It's been a while. It has been a while, but we're back to the vlog. All right, so huge update. We're gonna get the day started, man. I'm actually about to go to 5th gear, get the STI dynoed. We're gonna see what type of numbers it makes, give a rundown of everything that's done to the car, and future plans, kind of give y'all some insight on what I'm gonna be doing with the car, man. And we're gonna go from there. But man, I gotta hurry up and get to the shop, so man, let's roll.
The fucking business ain't nothing you gotta see. How you all up in my shit when you got more problems than me? Yeah, I'm cool, but you don't wanna see that other side of me. And my niggas mobbing depot, I'm a fucking prodigy. I know that you been envy, bitch, it ain't that hard to see. Don't you dare go fix your mouth and tell me that you proud of me. Ain't no choice to me, but loyalty still means a
So we're finally getting the car warmed up, man. We're about to head out, grab some gas, fill up before we hit the dyno, and we'll be on the way, man. Let's get it.
Some niggas that go chop my arm right off and still reach out to me. I know you probably want that. That's alright.
Time to go to speed, right?
And you back in the cold, and I'm laughing at every single fag who didn't want me your half of these songs. It was that for the gold. Just a bunch of little spoiled fucking bastards. Every single one laughing with joke, nigga, pass the Patron. I think I'ma go and drink until I pass out and then fall in the back of the road. But menage on my mind. I've been on my grind. Been through so much, sometimes think that God ain't on my side. I cut all my friends off and say y'all ain't on my vibe. And there's so much more to life than drinking, party all the time. Whoa, this gon' last a lifetime. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I text Jaden Smith and told that nigga he a icon. Don't get shit fucked up. Just cause I ain't got no ice on don't mean I am not Sub-Zero. I should freeze you hoes at nighttime. I'm like, where the hell you been at? I've been doing this since I was a kid and my grandma used to ask me where my head at. Always in trouble cause I was never learning nothing except how to muscle my way get to the game with no setbacks. And all that them is sleeping on me fucking with a bed at. Cause I've been struggling trying to be on top of them other niggas bluffing, but fuck it, it really doesn't mean nothing if they music get really cutting it, they get hit with the gut. Like I know one day y'all gon' see me. I make shy look freaky, I make dry look greasy, I make hard look easy. I remember way back when my mama took my TV, ho. Now I'm all on TV, ho. Woo! Mind your motherfucking business. Up in my shit when you got more problems than me. Yeah, I'm cool, but you don't wanna see that other side of me. I don't wanna hear no sorries.
All right, so we just got the first pull knocked out, man. It made 318. So looking for a little bit more. We'll see though, man. Let's just keep going. See what we get.
Did you order original recipe or extra crispy?
All right, so let me make my way outside real fast. All right, so did a couple pulls. Yeah, so I mean, I maxed out the injector, so it's kind of what's keeping me from getting any more out of it. So yeah, probably gonna have to get some bigger injectors and see what happens from there. But yeah, man, I'm actually really happy. It's really fucking dope. So yeah, shout out to Taylor, man. Shout out to 5th gear, man. You already know. All right, so I didn't actually get to film a outro for the video. Had a lot going on with the dyno and everything. But overall, I was really happy with the power that it made. The injectors did limit me on what I could do. So in order to keep it safe, we did, you know, we couldn't really push it as much as we wanted to. But huge shout out to Taylor, man. That's my tuner. Follow him on Instagram. I am Taylor Curtis. Huge shout out to Austin over at 5th Gear, man, for always supporting me in the build. I'm really excited for what the summer has to bring, man. We're trying to, you know, really trying to do something new with the vlog, keep it updated, try to do at least one a week. And with the summer around the corner, man, who knows what's gonna happen. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next mod. I am gonna do a bigger turbo. Probably gonna do the Cobb 20G. I've got a friend who's upgrading to an FP Black, I think. So he's gonna give me the 20G, and we're gonna see what I can do with that, and then go from there. So, man, definitely stay tuned. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, man, and stay tuned in for new content, man. And always appreciate you guys watching, man. Peace out.